Hey there, friends! In today's episode, we're delving into 10 different natural root hormones or root-stimulating substances that can be readily utilized for plant cloning, effectively multiplying plants from cuttings with a high success rate. Additionally, we'll demonstrate how you can concoct a potent formula by combining one or more of these substances. Stick around for all that's coming up. But before we dive in, please ensure you've subscribed to our channel and hit the notification bell. In horticulture, cloning involves creating duplicate plants from branch or stem cuttings of a mother plant. It's an excellent method for multiplying plants, especially if you have a rare variety or one that's particularly precious to you. It's also perfect for gifting plants to friends or neighbors. The simplest method of cloning a plant involves snipping a small branch or stem cutting and inserting it into the soil. However, the success rate of this method is typically low. To improve the success rate, certain simple rules need to be followed to expedite root formation. Most plant cuttings naturally produce their own rooting hormones over time. In fact, many plants can be easily cloned by merely placing the cuttings in clean water and following some basic guidelines. Rooting hormones can be either natural or synthetic chemicals and often contain indole butyric acid, IBA, and naphthalene acetic acid, NDA. IBA is the natural plant hormone responsible for stimulating fruit formation. If you're purchasing commercial rooting hormone powders, ensure you check the label to confirm it contains at least one of these compounds. Now let's outline the top 8 natural rooting hormones or agents that can be used to accelerate root growth in cuttings and boost cloning success rates. Starting at number 8, we have your own saliva. Yes, you heard that right. Human or animal saliva is indeed antibacterial and antifungal for plants. The primary idea is to prevent the cutting from rotting and stimulate root formation. Simply dipping the cutting into saliva before reinserting it into the potting soil can help achieve this. At number 7, we have apple cider vinegar, another proven natural rooting hormone stimulant. Mix about 5 drops in half a cup of water, ensuring not to exceed this quantity as it could hinder rooting. Vinegar is also a natural weed killer in strong concentrations. Dip the cutting into the solution before inserting it into the soil. Cinnamon powder takes the 6th spot. It serves as an antibacterial and antifungal agent, effectively doubling your cloning success rate. Ensure the cinnamon bark is finely powdered, then dip the cutting into the powder before planting it. Willow bark, at number 5, contains 2 vital compounds, salicylic acid and indole butyric acid, IBA. Salicylic acid, similar to aspirin, and IBA, a plant hormone, both stimulate root growth. If you have a willow tree nearby, you're in luck. You can create a willow tea